Hey everybody, Justin Townsend here with Harvesting Nature. Today I'm at the Lost Creek Hunting Ranch in North Texas. We use the Lost Creek Ranch to host our wild pig skills camp. In addition to that, they have a beautiful variety of exotic wild game animals that you can harvest as well. Today, in front of me, I've got the components of a marinade. My goal is I'm going to walk you through what a marinade is, what it does, and how you can use marinades to enhance the flavor of your wild game. We're not looking to cover up the flavors of game meat. We're looking to enhance the natural flavors that it has, and using a marinade is a great way to do that. Don't think of it as a way to tenderize meat. You're looking for flavor. You have your acid, you have your oil or your fat, and you have your salt. In the acid department, you can use things like vinegars. Vinegar from pickles can be used. This is a red wine vinegar that can be used. Limes, any of those citrus fruits can be used. Yogurt has lactic acid in it. In the middle here, we've got a couple examples of oils. So you've got an olive oil and a sesame oil. And then over here, you've got salt. I always recommend using a salt, just a straight up salt, like a sea salt or a kosher salt is my preference. I tend to stay away from iodized salt. But if you're not a big salt fan or you want something low sodium, there's all kinds of other alternatives if you don't want a lot of sodium in there. And so really, you can mix and match and combine these elements and flavors to whatever you like. A normal marinade is only gonna penetrate about 1/8 of an inch into the meat. If you wanna create something where the marinade can go deeper into the meat, you can use a vacuum sealer, seal the meat in with the marinade, and that's gonna pull it into the meat itself. Or you can use an injector like this, which you actually stick the injector in the meat and inject the marinade inside the meat, so it gets all in different parts. Test different flavors with different methods and just see what you really like. And at the end of the day, I'm sure you'll find something that makes you very happy.